Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a mirror. This is a 2003 Monte Carlo they're working on. This procedure is the same for any 2000 to 2007 car. The tools you're going to need are a Phillips screwdriver, T27 Torx Driver, flat blade screwdriver, putty knife and rag, and a 10mm socket and ratchet. To remove the door panel, first you're going to remove 4 screws. One Phillips here, a Phillips here, and then there's 2 T27 Torx screws right up in here. Okay, now that you remove those screws, you can pull out on this panel, okay, and then forward, and it comes off. Okay, and then you switch. You use a regular flat blade screwdriver and pry out on one side and pull the switch out some, and then pull the whole switch and pry the other side. And now you'll want to use a putty knife and a rag or a paper towel or something. Just a paper towel just kind of protects the paint. Work it back in here and then work it up right into there and then pull, and then once you get that one, this panel kind of actually pulls free pretty easily. Just pull around the outside edge. Okay. And then lift up. Okay, and your door panel's off. You still have your mirror and your power window connected here. So now looking in from behind, a little hard to shoot this, but basically you want to work, there's a tab in the back of your connectors here. So you want to work your screwdriver right up in there and pull. I can show you it afterwards here. Okay, so basically what you're doing is right here is where the tab goes in. So you're just working your screwdriver in there and working it in there to release that tab. These connectors, you can see right there, that's what you want to be pressing in. Okay, so now your door panel's off. So your power mirror connection is right here. There's this little thumb tab. So push that in and then work that off. And just pull this whole pad out, and you have 3 10mm nuts holding it on right there. And then I just hold on to that mirror while I'm doing the last one here. And obviously if your mirror is broken, you're not doing that careful, but pull the mirror out. Just for comparison purposes, here's our original mirror. Here's the new mirror from 1A Auto. You can see they're exactly the same. The mounting surfaces are exactly the same, and the plugs, if I can line them up there, are even the same. So your new mirror from 1A Auto is going to bolt on with no problem. Obviously on this car, this original mirror is fine, so we'll put that back on. Okay, and reinstallation is just a reverse. Make sure you put the harness through. Okay. Put it in. I always do the top nut first. Make sure it's held on there. Okay, and I'll hand tighten these first, and then I'll tighten them up with the wrench. And you want them snug, but they don't have to be incredibly tight. The mirror base is die cast, so you don't want to break it. Too tight could break it. Stuff this back in. Reconnect my connection. Okay, and we're ready to put the door panel back on.
Okay, so I'm just going to kind of fast forward through putting the door panel back on. You can probably pick up enough to get it on pretty easily here. Plus, if you already took it off, getting it on is not that big of a deal. If you did want to see this video in regular motion, we do have another video for the door panel remove and replace. Just remember at the end to just check everything, make sure your door locks and your window and your mirror is all working right. And we hope this helps you out.
A quick test of everything. Window, mirror, door locks, everything's good.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.